because you need distillation for that. Okay, to get a pure acid, pure acid.
Ya,
This
kalau
is
kita
pure
tak
acid.
isolate, dari
Okay,
je lah.
it's more high grade one. Okay, so let me pour out a bit. I hope this is acid lah. If someone wash or use before, I don't know lah. I mean, hopefully it is there's not much left. But never mind, we can test kan. So what should be the pH of this acid you think?
Below the silver. Maybe 6, maybe 5.
Berapa? What's the pH?
3.
3 ke 2?
2.
You sure? 2. How much? 2 ah? Why 2?
Because strong acid.
Strong acid, yeah.
Then why 2? Why not 3? Why not 1? 0.1 normality. What is the pH of 0.1 normality of 1? Ah.
Oh, yelah.
So you test, okay? If this is correct, 0.1. So we can test using our pH meter lah. Okay, almost 1. So it means that it is correct lah. 0.1, right? Okay, I'm not going to wait it to stabilize. Okay. Okay, so the next thing, so we have already pour in the 0.1 normality of the
Tadi doktor pasir tak tahu dia ni kan belum. Okey. Kau tak macam pelik ke? Itu lah. Tak ada minggu. Aku tak pernah guna, tak pernah tahu. Pasal ni. Betul penat sih macam ni tu.
Okay, tekan itu tak pelan. I think you can break into smaller videos so easy to upload nanti. If a file big, I don't know how to share. I think you download also difficult. I think you try to break it lah. See how. Yeah. Alright. Other. We have recorded here. Another recorder. Okay. For doing this acid titration, the alkali titration. So what we need is a pH meter, of course pH probe, and then we need a titrator, burette or micropipette lah. Okay. Now we use the burette, right, the glass one, and adjust here. But instead of that, we use a micropipette. It's okay. Then we need a stirrer here, down there. So this is a stirrer, but actually you should have the magnetic stirrer bar down there to stir it. So to make sure you have acid reactions immediately, right? Neutralize the alkaline or the component, the base inside the solution. So, but the thing is, I couldn't find the steel bar, the magnetic bar. So it's okay. We can still manually stir it, right? Using anything, right? Or we can use like this, just a swirl, it's okay. But better to have the magnetic bar lah. But anyhow, I show you we need this. Okay, so turn on, and then you should have the magnetic bar stirring. Okay, then so now before anything start, right? When you have already set up all this, so now you're going to measure your sample. So the most important step is you must measure the mass of your sample. Okay, this is seawater lah, 100% seawater. So I can titrate this. I can just use this to transfer 1 ml to this, but as I said, this one is not as accurate as the, what is that?
Urine.
Balance, huh? Analytical balance. Yeah. So we should measure under the analytical balance. So I use the tip and I'll titrate this inside. So have you tried to do this already? Done, huh? Okay, good. So let's go over there. I want to record the sample, number of sample. Don't have to be all, but yeah, you can come. I don't think enough space.